Yeah. So if you see the model of Tupperware is a direct sales out there. We actually sell through our Salesforce member. We call them consultants or members, right? But off late, we have forayed into multiple different channels, which includes the e-com channel. So we have use Shopify to be online, just to be there, wherever the customer wants to make the purchase. So you look at the example of Amazon or Nextstart. There are so many e-commerce platforms. So the customer has got into this habit where they want to just sit at the home and do the browsing and order the product and get it delivered, right? So that's very much there. And we really want to be there where the customer is, where they're doing the shopping from. So we have leveraged Shopify to kind of put our product portfolio on the e-com platform. And similarly, if you look at Europe, we have used Magento platform to enable e-commerce. So all the end customers, anybody who wants to make a purchase, they can go to those websites and they can make a purchase. But having said that, since we're a direct sales company, we have also enabled the Salesforce members to kind of have their own unique URL, which they can pass on to their known people, to their friends, to their families. And when those people do the shopping in that URL, credit goes to that sales rep also, or the Salesforce member. So they also get a commission out of it. And so it's like, a channel where as a Salesforce member, they can leverage, the platform. As an end customer, they can just go to the website and look through all the product. They can see the videos, they can see the comments, they can see everything about, anything to do with this product. Recipes also, because we are also into a lot of recipes. So that is what we are leveraging as of today. Yeah, so that's the key here, right? Because like I said, even though Tupperware is a direct sales company, but we really don't want to miss out those people who want to do shopping in a different way, especially the millennials, right? Like entities. So what we have done, we have tapped on the potential of online. We can call it e-commerce, right? Or direct to customer. Yeah. So we have built that platform in Asia, in Europe, in EIS or in Latin America, where they can of course go into the shop. But we have also enabled our Salesforce member, who are primarily, people on the ground. So they have got, access to all the apps. They have got access to the online videos, the product demonstrations, the recipes, and they can also place the order online. So if they are, if they meet someone and they want to buy the product, right, they can immediately place the order. In the olden days, they had to go to the distributor point, go there, punch in the order, right? It's not there. They can immediately do it on their own using the mobile phone. Similarly, if they want to demo something, right, because our products are very much on the demo side, it has to be demoed so that the customer can understand what exactly this can do for them. So, we have put everything online. It's a very intuitive kind of a demonstration. It's not like, there's a video and you just go and watch the video. It's a very intuitive form of demo, which we have enabled. So if you see the whole cycle of the sales cycle, you're starting from demonstration, punching the orders, delivery, tracking, everything is enabled, online, both for the Salesforce member and also for the industry. Yeah, so you know what, there has been a disruption in the last couple of years, especially after COVID, and of course with the emergence of all the e-commerce platforms. The product is one thing for sure. You really need a good product for the customer to buy that, right? But the whole experience of buying that has evolved, it has changed a lot. So even if we talk about e-commerce, okay, most of the websites have got a static picture or just a video, right, which you can click and see. But we can leverage the augmented reality or the virtual reality to give a very different kind of experience, like, as if you're holding the product and you are kind of feeling how it feels, what you can do with that product, right? So all these things are very much there. It's not like it's not there, but there are companies who are using it. So I would say more and more companies will start leveraging these kind of technologies when we talk about the AR and VR to showcase what their products can do, right, for them. So that's thing which I think is coming. It used to be very costly. It is no longer that costly. It's quite cost effective. So even the mid-sized companies or the small companies and of course the big companies can go and use these form of technologies.
For more updates from CXO TV, please like and subscribe to our channel.